Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to solve an interesting wooden rope ring puzzle. As you can see, this puzzle consists of a wooden piece with a slot, a loop of rope, two wooden discs, and a ring trap in the middle. Our goal is to free the ring without untying or cutting the rope. Let's get started. First, let's take a close look at the puzzle. Notice how the ring is trapped on the wooden and cannot simply slide off due to the rope with disc on both ends. The challenge is to navigate the ring through the rope and wooden slot in a sequence that it allows it to come free. Watch carefully how it can be done. The first step is to move this wooden disc inside the slot and move the ring along the rope, and the last step is to move the ring through the slot and the ring is free from the wooden piece. Thanks for watching.